Hello and welcome back to Finology Ticker. I am Srishti Jain, Chief Product Officer of Ticker, and I'll be sharing a series of videos on how to use Ticker to pick great stocks. 6 videos of this series is already out. You can watch them from this playlist. In our last video, we have talked about how to use a screener to pick stocks. In Screener, we can filter stocks based on our own criteria. Like, if I want high sales growth stocks, then I can just enter the query and get results in seconds in Screener. But sometimes we want to save our time and have ready-made screens available for use. Well, Ticker hai na? Ticker has pre-made screens called bundles. It is made by our team of experts based on various themes and strategies. You can directly use it and get stock ideas to analyze. And the best part, there are 20 different bundles available in Ticker as of now. Let's see. Visit ticker.finology.in. You will see a clean screen to search stocks. Scroll in the page and you will find featured bundle section. You can access any bundle from here or click on View All Bundles button to see every bundle. Also, you can directly go to the bundles page by clicking on Bundles option in the top menu. Here, you will find 20 different bundles. 10 of them are free and 10 are paid, which is available with Finology One subscription. Premium bundles have this crown icon on them. You also get access to valuation calculators, DuPont analysis, common size statement, and various advanced courses on financial concepts in Quest with Finology One subscription. To access any bundle, either free or paid, you need to be logged in Ticker. If you are a new user, just do a quick sign up and access any free bundle. In this page, you can see variety of bundles, or commonly known as stock baskets, like efficient banks, rising stars, canceling basket, dividend stars, rigid risers, etc. A quick description of every bundle is also available below its name. For example, Institution Favorite Bundle has companies which are backed by increasing institutional holdings. Let's visit this bundle by clicking on the Access button. Here, you can see the list of 80 plus companies which have high institution holdings. The sector name of the company is also present below its name. Besides the name and sector, you also get basic financials of the company in the same table for quick analysis. Like, you can see current market price of the stock, market capitalization, price to book value ratio, price to equity ratio, ROE, ROCE, and price to sales ratio. You can also sort these companies in ascending or descending order by any of these ratios. For example, if you want to arrange these companies on the basis of current market price, you can click on the price heading and see all the companies arranged in ascending order, or click twice to see in descending order. If from this list you want to find stocks related to any particular sector or search for any stock you like if it's present in the list or not, then you can type the name of the sector or stock in the search box given just above the table. For example, I want to see pharma sector companies in the list, so I will write pharma and get the stocks sorted accordingly. You can also click on the name of the company and get its A to Z details for analysis. So easy, na? Now, you might be having a question in your mind that how this bundle is created or what is the exact criteria used to filter these stocks. Well, we believe in transparency. We have given the exact filter used in the bundle in the page itself. Scroll down the page. Here, you will find 2 boxes. One, the bundle strategy section has the exact query which is used to filter these stocks. And in the explanation section, you can read the details about how and why we have made this strategy. If we check the query for this bundle, we get to know that these stocks in the list have DII holdings of latest quarter greater than previous one, and same for FII holdings. Here, Q1 means whatever the latest quarter is, and Q2 means previous quarter, and Q3 means previous to that, and so on. If you want to change the query or add more filters in it of your choice, you can simply copy the bundle strategy and paste it in the Screener section of Ticker and then add your filters. We have discussed how to use Screener in detail in our previous video. For example, let's open Screener in new tab and make our own screen from this bundle strategy. I will copy the bundle strategy, paste it in the Screener and add my query. I want these companies to have promoter pledging less than 10%, so I will add the same and then click on Run Screener button. Here, now the few stocks are removed. In our bundle, we had 88 stocks, but when I added extra parameter, we are left with 82 stocks only. So, in this way, you can edit any bundle as per your choice. In premium bundles, you get direct access to screen them, so you don't have to copy and paste it in Screener. Also, the queries used in them are quite strict. Let's check any premium bundle. The first one is Cancel Basket. It is based on the famous strategy given by William J. O'Neill. If you scroll, you get the option to directly run the query on Screener. Also, the explanation part have details on who can use the strategy, the idea behind it, etc. So that's all for our bundles feature. It can help you save time and provide you pre-made screens based on various strategies. You can also edit them on a Screener as per your requirement. And of course, there are 20 different bundles available on Ticker based on different investment approaches. But do keep in mind that these bundles are only list of stock ideas based on different filters. It's not any investment recommendation. You need to do proper research about any company before making an investment decision. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding about bundles feature on Ticker. If you have any suggestions on other type of bundles which you want to see in Ticker's bundle section, then please leave a comment below. Do like, share and subscribe to Finology Ticker for more such videos. Thank you.